Jeez, that's just a nice boosty me on my bro. Check out these engine mounts that I don't have. Yo. It's time for me to pull the engine in this Miata. Now, the main reason I'm gonna pull the engine on the Miata is not actually because of the engine. It's because of the engine too, but mostly because of I think I have some bent arms or possibly a bent subframe in the Miata. So as you can see, it doesn't have a fender right now. This side still has its fender. So pretty much I hit a post. It buckled my fender in, and I eyeballed the arms and stuff and they look straight, so I went to go get an alignment, but my the alignment guy wasn't able to fix my caster, so the wheel is pretty much pushed back. And so I was like, you know what, screw it, I'm gonna upgrade. So I ended up getting a V8 Roadster subframe and destroyer die arms. Here's the subframe. And here is the lower and upper control arms, the front ones. They're pink and splattered because I painted them. And I painted them a while ago already, but I wanted to do this after I changed the clutch on the Subi. So yeah, the lower control arm and the upper one. Yep, and so since I'm gonna pull the engine out, I figured I might as well just reseal the whole thing. So I got a head gasket kit and pretty much all seals to this engine, similar to what I did to the Subi. Pretty much I'm gonna rebuild the whole thing apart from taking out the pistons and the piston rings. So yeah, I figured it'd be a good idea too, because I have a few oil leaks. I think the main one though is my oil pan, and to reseal the oil pan you actually have to pull the engine out or remove the subframe, or at least unbolt the subframe from the chassis. So yeah boys, and also since I'm pushing I also got ARP head studs, and also since I'm basically pushing 16 psi peak on this stock block, I might as well, you know, upgrade the head studs and get a new head gasket, because I did notice that the color on my coolant is also like orangish, and I have green coolant in it, so that means there's some sort of exhaust gases or maybe even oil seeping into the coolant. It's not milky, not enough to make it milky, but it's definitely not the right color. So yeah boys, that pretty much explains the whole situation here. It's really not a big deal, to me at least, because you know I have this carport area and so much more space as compared to what I had with the Subi. The Subi was all squeezed in here. And yeah, since now the Subi's pretty reliable as hell, I don't have to worry about having two vehicles, like in case one breaks down so I can't go to work. Also I could always use the bike. But yeah boys, we're gonna get started. Look, for example, this is residual oil. I don't know where it's leaking from just sitting for a few days. Here, let me.
She a ghost killer, drown his body in the river, go black figure, black mask with the realer, don't pull the trigger. Money bigger, only time I'm down is when I drop a bag to bigger. And now he wanna walk out, nice squad action. Says she wanna stay, so she gave me satisfaction. That pussy talk, throwing bullets for your cat piece. Ruger got a flash, got you lag, say he wanna fuck with us, please don't fuck with us. Nice, just in case we fuck it up. She suck it up. Homie shut him up, I met your crib, knock down your double bitch. I think your luck is up. Cause she a ghost killer, drown his body in the river, go black figure, black mask with the realer, don't pull the trigger. Money bigger, only time I'm down is when I drop a bag to pickle. And now he wanna walk out, nice grab action. Since you wanna stay, so she gave me satisfaction. That pussy talk, throwing bullets for your cabbage. Really got a flashback, cause you lagging.
Bitch, I'm in a black mask, bring it back. I just got a brand new Glock, black. Shoot him in his face, now it's just a hashtag. Bloody business, buried bitches while I'm in his rap. I'll be a flex up, next up, ghost face killer with my black dog. Bitch, you know what I'm saying?
So you already know who had to come through for the engine pull.
I was like, okay, let's see what's going on. Is he almost done? Alright, let me go now.
Yeah, I didn't even know he was gonna pull up. He just pulled up. I heard a boosted Miata and I was like, Lonzy?
I'm right here.
Yeah, so I mean, you guys were pretty much seeing the disassembly. I'm at the point where I just have to take the drive shaft out and then pretty much the hard mounts.
Well, you're waiting for it to drain, right?
It's draining right now. Yeah, it should be done though. Yeah, it's done. And then yeah, so we're probably gonna pull it right now in the next 30 minutes or an hour or so. I turn around. Oh, you don't got an intercooler. You need a baby cooler. I'm pretty sure my shit is leaking and it's not fully sealed because look at the blow-off valve. It's not seated down there.
Oh yeah.
So either there's another valve that leads to down here, or I have a fat boost leak that I had for the longest.
So you think it's supposed to go more in?
Yeah, to seal shut right here.
Yeah.
But
Maybe there's a step to it?
yeah, that maybe like kind of like what's it called? Valve, like a palito and then another lip. I don't think I'm gonna film taking the drive shaft out. We'll probably just film pulling the engine. Alright boys, we're at the point where we're gonna strap the engine and pretty much pull it out, but we gotta take the hood off.
Yeah, it's based on it.
And you do a single stage, my friend? $30.
Damn, this shit is like light like a fucking feather, huh?
Yeah, what is this? Carbon fiber?
It's aluminum, that's why.
Where do you want to put it?
Sheesh, this thing is looking bare. Bare bones.
So, put some tips right here. Some tips. Keep the door out.
Think that's a good angle?
Yeah. Right here it's planted right on it.
Right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good because I need to like see everything. Huh?
This is like a 17, maybe?
The motor's on it. Oh.
Like a 14?
It looks like a 14, huh?
Yeah. Probably is.
No wonder my motor goes like this.
More, huh?
Yeah, right? It's in the middle. It went like this,
For real?
but like, yeah, pretty easy to break.
Not that easy, but. I mean, it is a 14.
Should I take them all the way out now?
Yeah. Oh, let me put some tension on the engine.
There it is.
That's crazy, right? Alright. Woo. There it is.
I went around to guys.
Hold up, let me get that support out of the way.
It's so weird, it moves by itself.
Maybe the shifter is not past the hole.
Should it go down?
It's just biting.
Should I go down?
Maybe. Yeah, it's the shifter though. Ah, there it is, there it is.
Let's go! There.
It's still boosting me, Amara. There it is. Shit! How's this Just a wrecking ball. Sheesh, that's just a nice boosty me on mount, bro. Check out these engine mounts that I don't have.
Is it clear?
Yeah, pretty much clear.
You want to pull it out? Okay.
Watch out with the light.
I see it.
Hold up, let me reposition. Alright, just pull.
Alright, come on.
You can lower a little if you need to. It's on the flat.
Yeah, sweet. Where do you want it? More this way?
I think right here.
Right here, good.
A little more this way maybe. Right there now?
Okay. A little, yeah, probably where you're at. You don't have another spare tire? For the track?
Nah. If the oil pan sits in there, I think it should be good.
Make it right there somewhere?
Right there, I think. 39-minute clip.
So I guess it took us like 39 minutes. A little less.
Yeah. So here it is, boys. The engine is out. The sick turbo.
It's
That's
pretty cool that you don't have to take it out.
yeah. Or the intake.
Yeah.
That saves a lot of time.
Just hoses and wires.
Yeah. But even then, it wasn't that difficult.
Man, it's super hard though.
Yeah. Yeah, boys. So I think that's it for this one. So should I paint the engine bay or what?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I don't know. I don't know how much time I want to take on this. I don't want to.
You're gonna take the subframe off, right? You're gonna go
Yeah.
and do all that? No?
Yeah.
So you don't have to worry about cleaning that. So it's just
True.
literally scrubbing this. I mean, the hardest part will be right here, but that's also like whatever's.
But then to get it painted under the wires and shit, it's time consuming.
Yeah, it's up to you.
Yeah, I don't know. It'll be pretty dope though, like a galaxy type scheme.
Yeah, it would.
Alright, boys. Catch you guys on the next one.
Peace.